Airports are bustling hubs of activity, with planes constantly arriving and departing. Every day, thousands of flights crisscross the skies, connecting people and places across the globe. The sheer volume of air traffic is staggering, and managing it all requires a highly coordinated effort. From commercial jets to cargo planes, each aircraft follows a meticulously planned schedule to ensure timely arrivals and departures. Ensuring the smooth and safe flow of this traffic is a critical task, and that's where airport control towers come in. These towers are the heart of air traffic management, providing a vantage point from which controllers can oversee the entire airfield. They are equipped with advanced technology that helps in monitoring and directing aircraft movements. These iconic structures, often perched atop tall buildings, serve as the nerve centers of airports worldwide. Their unique designs make them easily recognizable, and they are often considered symbols of modern aviation. The height of these towers allows controllers to have an unobstructed view of the runways and taxiways, which is crucial for managing the complex choreography of aircraft movements. Inside these towers, air traffic controllers have the crucial job of directing aircraft movements, both on the ground and in the air. They use radar screens, radio communications, and other tools to keep track of every plane in their airspace. Their work requires intense concentration and quick decision-making skills, as they must respond to changing conditions and potential hazards in real time. They are responsible for preventing collisions, ensuring efficient use of airspace, and keeping passengers safe. This involves coordinating with pilots, ground crews, and other controllers to manage takeoffs, landings, and in-flight navigation. The safety of everyone on board depends on their ability to maintain order and prevent any conflicts in the sky. From the moment a plane pushes back from the gate to the time it touches down at its destination, air traffic controllers are the unseen guardians of the sky. Their dedication and expertise ensure that millions of passengers reach their destinations safely and on time. Without their vigilance and skill, the complex network of global air travel would not be possible. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive future updates. The earliest forms of air traffic control were rudimentary, to say the least. In the early 20th century, aviation was still in its infancy, and the concept of air traffic control was just beginning to take shape. Pilots and ground crews had to rely on the most basic forms of communication to ensure safe takeoffs and landings. In the nascent days of aviation, when planes were more akin to rickety kites than the sophisticated machines we know today, the skies were a wild frontier. Pilots navigated by sight and instinct, often without any formal training. The airfields themselves were little more than open fields, and the infrastructure for managing air traffic was virtually non-existent. Communication between pilots and the ground was limited. There were no radios, no radar, and no sophisticated navigation systems. Instead, pilots and ground crews had to rely on visual signals and hand gestures to convey important information. This made flying a risky endeavor, especially in poor weather conditions or at night. Airfields relied on basic visual signals to guide pilots. Ground crews would use flags, hand signals, and even bonfires to communicate with pilots. These methods were simple but effective, allowing pilots to understand when it was safe to take off, land, or taxi on the airfield. Controllers would use flags of different colors to convey simple instructions, much like semaphore signals used at sea. A red flag might indicate that it was unsafe to land, while a green flag would signal that the runway was clear. These visual cues were essential for maintaining order and safety on the airfield. At night, rudimentary lighting systems, often just lanterns of different hues, took the place of flags. These lanterns would be placed along the edges of the runway or in specific patterns to guide pilots during nighttime operations. While not as effective as modern lighting systems, they provided a crucial means of communication in the dark. It was a system fraught with limitations, highly susceptible to weather conditions and prone to errors. Fog, rain, and snow could obscure visual signals, making it difficult for pilots to see and interpret them. Despite these challenges, early aviators and ground crews persevered, laying the groundwork for the sophisticated air traffic control systems we rely on today. The advent of radio communication in the early 20th century marked a turning point in air traffic control. Suddenly, controllers could communicate directly with pilots, relaying instructions and receiving real-time updates on aircraft positions. This breakthrough dramatically enhanced safety and efficiency. Another game-changer arrived with the development of radar during World War II. Radar, short for radio detection and ranging, enabled controllers to see aircraft even in poor visibility conditions. By bouncing radio waves off aircraft, radar systems could determine their range, altitude, and bearing, providing controllers with a much clearer picture of the airspace. The post-war era witnessed an unprecedented boom in air travel, with faster and larger aircraft taking to the skies. This surge in air traffic necessitated the construction of larger, more sophisticated control towers to accommodate the increased workload. Modern control towers are marvels of engineering and design, offering panoramic views of the airfield, and equipped with state-of-the-art communication and surveillance systems. These towers are strategically located to provide controllers with an unobstructed view of all runway and taxiway operations. Computers take flight, automating air traffic control. The latter half of the 20th century saw the introduction of computers into air traffic control, revolutionizing the way airspace is managed. Computers brought automation to many tasks previously performed manually by controllers, freeing them to focus on more critical decision-making. Flight data processing systems emerged, automatically tracking aircraft, calculating flight paths, and alerting controllers to potential conflicts. This automation significantly increased the capacity of airspace, allowing for a greater volume of air traffic without compromising safety. Seeing the skies, digital displays and advanced sensors. Gone are the days of controllers relying solely on radar blips on dimly lit screens. Modern control towers boast an array of digital displays that provide controllers with a comprehensive and real-time picture of the airspace. High-definition displays show aircraft positions, altitudes, speeds, and even weather patterns. Advanced sensors, such as ADS-B, provide even more precise aircraft tracking data, enhancing situational awareness for controllers. Artificial intelligence. The future is here. Today, artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the landscape of air traffic control, ushering in a new era of safety and efficiency. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data, from weather patterns to aircraft performance, to assist controllers in making more informed decisions. For instance, AI can predict potential conflicts in the airspace well in advance, allowing controllers to take proactive measures to prevent them. It can also optimize flight routes, reducing fuel consumption and minimizing delays. Challenges and opportunities in the age of AI. While the integration of AI in air traffic control presents tremendous opportunities, it also comes with its share of challenges. Ensuring the reliability and safety of AI systems is paramount, as even minor errors can have significant consequences. Furthermore, there are valid concerns about the role of human controllers in an increasingly automated environment. Striking the right balance between human expertise and AI capabilities is crucial to ensure a safe and efficient air transportation system. A safer, more efficient future in the skies. From the humble beginnings of flags and lanterns, air traffic control has come a long way. In the early days of aviation, communication between pilots and ground staff was rudimentary at best. Airport workers relied on visual signals, using flags during the day and lanterns at night to guide aircraft safely to the ground. These methods, while innovative for their time, were limited by visibility and weather conditions. Fast forward to today, and we see the sophistication of artificial intelligence revolutionizing the field. AI technology is now being integrated into control towers, providing real-time data analysis and predictive capabilities that were once unimaginable. This leap in technology allows for more precise and efficient management of air traffic, reducing delays and enhancing safety. The evolution of airport control towers is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. From simple wooden structures to the high-tech facilities we see today, each generation of control towers has built upon the lessons of the past, incorporating new technologies and methodologies to improve air traffic management. As technology continues to advance, the future of air traffic control looks brighter than ever. Futuristic control towers equipped with cutting-edge technology screens and advanced communication systems are becoming the norm. These innovations are not just about keeping up with the times, they are about setting new standards for safety and efficiency in the skies. We can expect even more transformative changes in air traffic management. The integration of AI is just the beginning. With AI systems, air traffic controllers can now handle more flights with greater accuracy, predict potential issues before they arise, and make informed decisions faster than ever before. Coupled with the ongoing dedication and expertise of air traffic controllers, who bring their invaluable experience and human touch to the table, the future of air travel is set to be more reliable and efficient. These professionals work tirelessly, often behind the scenes, to ensure that every flight takes off and lands safely. This promises a future where air travel is even safer, more efficient, and accessible to all. The seamless coordination between advanced technology and skilled human operators ensures that passengers can travel with peace of mind, knowing that their safety is the top priority. The skies, once a vast and unforgiving expanse, are becoming increasingly manageable thanks to the continuous evolution of airport control towers. The ability to monitor and manage multiple aircraft simultaneously has transformed air travel, making it more predictable and less prone to disruptions. With each technological advancement, we move closer to a future where the skies are not just a place for travel, but a well-orchestrated network of routes and destinations. The continuous evolution of airport control towers ensures that this network operates smoothly, efficiently, and above all, safely. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive future updates.